Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we can put like this. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of negative 2s over negative number 2. Next, we have u multiplied by v, so we have s multiplied by this one. Now we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have negative number 2. Negative with negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration from 0 to number 1. And I will put this one going here. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 2s over negative number 2. And I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Now we put number 1 and number 0 going here. Now we simplify this one, and we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.